Hey YouTube, this is Saancode and welcome to another unboxing video, and today I'm gonna be unboxing Philips in SHE1515BK /94 wired headset with mic. And okay, so let's unbox it. Okay, so actually I bought it from Flipkart and I got it for almost $20, and yeah, hope this will be great headsets, headphones. And this is the Flipkart Valentine Day heart. Actually I bought it during the Valentine week, that's why they gave me this card. And here is the headphone. And okay, so here we have rich bass, clear sound from Philips. These are the in-ear headphones, so these puffs goes into your ear and give you a great bass and sound quality. Okay, I can open it from here? Okay, I can't. Just get it from the back side, from the bottom. Okay, so here we have the headphones. Oh, they're stuck in there. Okay, so here is the manual, I guess. Yeah, the manual, the usual stuff. And here are some extra ear cushions for according to your ear size: large, medium and small. These are the medium ones which are already attached to the headphone, and in the pack they're small and large. You can use according to your ear size. And here is the manual and some basic information. Okay, so these are with mic headphone there, so you can receive calls and talk through these. Okay, so here the Philips and the model number. And yeah guys, here is the box. Actually the build quality felt good, pretty, and hopefully the sound will also be great of these headphones. And okay guys, that's pretty much it for this video, and maybe I'll do another video on these headphones. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.